just picked up this one and her bag. Jesus Christ. It's just 1 night or 2 nights.
I know. I'm so bad at packing, Candy.
But yeah, I'm gonna get my bags. It looks like I have piercing. I'm gonna go get my bags and then we're gonna hit the road. Everything is in order. Seatbelt them. Seatbelt. Gas is filled. Petrol. Engine. What is it? Oil and water checked. Tire pressure checked. And snacks. Snacks. We got some snacks as well. And my wingman, Cookie.
It's me over here.
And we're going to Kwa Nokeng. We're going on a girlcation.
Yes, it is.
Because that's what friends do together. So let's go.
I can feel the love. I wanna go home, where I'm not out of place. That melody of that love and peace is what I need.
Wait, Rita. Sras. Wait, Sras.
This is what I need. What I need back home. 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 I'm battling it out, trying to make it on my own. But the question is, who will catch me if I fall? They said don't be afraid to ask for aid. I need my light to end this fight. I need my people. I wanna go home, where I can feel the love. I wanna go home, where I'm not out of place. That melody of that love and peace is what I need. I wanna go home, where I can feel the love. I wanna go home.
So we finally arrived. I'm so happy. Wasn't that bad of a drive actually. It was like what, 1 hour 30 minutes drive? Yeah. And it's near the Martin's Drift border. And we're at Kwa Nokeng. And I'm about to check in. Let's go check in. I don't know if we should shoot.
Take me back to my roots so I can feel
Oh, I forgot. This is the part where I say room tour.
love isn't cheap. No doubt who's on my team back home. That's home. What I need. Back 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 home. I wanna go home, where I can feel the love. I wanna go home, where I'm not out of place.
Cookie. There's no toilet paper here.
My savior. There you go.
Okay. We've arrived at Kwa Nokeng Lodge. We are in a luxury tent. We are in a luxury tent. Say bless you.
Bless you, I guess.
No man. I guess no manners. And I'm really in love with the view on the balcony. So it's like a 2-bed. The drive here was easy. It was mostly tarred road. It wasn't off-road as much. And guys, it's a girlcation. I'm so excited. We're gonna have dinner later on. I told Cookie we're gonna have dinner and she's like, do we dress up? I'm like, girl, no.
Isn't that what people do on
Are we people?
vacations?
Are we people?
Yes, we are.
But yeah, and
They
then
dress up like the Kardashians dress up.
girl, we're not there
Might as
yet.
well
We're not
be.
there
Might
yet.
as well be.
But easy drive. Even coming into the lodge, there was no. I think even the. What's these cars that are not 4x4s? Do you know?
No. How would I know?
I think even a sedan or like not 4x4s can come here. The sand is not as thick. The terrain is it's proper. It's proper. It's reasonable. We're just here for one night. We're not sure what we'll be doing tomorrow. So I don't know. I don't know. Do you guys want to come along for dinner? Ooh, girl.
Girl.
If you have any questions about our trip, yes, it was very spontaneous.
It was so spontaneous. She like hit me up when I was at work, like, do you want to go on a trip? I said yes. Let's go.
Okay. So yeah, we'll talk to you guys later. So we were in a luxury tent, and then this is like the cottage side. They have like a bride place over there. It's closed, so I can't really go in. They have like a chilling area, a living space inside. Super cool. I think if I had many friends, like I literally have like 2-3 friends, Monifating, you know. Kids, I won't say them. But I think this would be like a really nice getaway for friends. 5-6 people, just get the cottage over there. Brysa meat itself catering, which is also really convenient. Hey, what were you saying about the bay? I'm recording, by the way.
Oh. She brought a bay.
Yeah.
And I brought a bay.
What? From where? Okay, continue.
In
Sorry.
the streets.
Huh?
In the streets. We could find one each. And just be baying it up in Kwa Nokeng, but you know. Look at you. That's your baby.
Follow the what? Look here. Okay, it's dark. Ooh.
Dark. Is it?
Yeah, no, it's dark.
Are we visible?
I don't know. I forgot the tripod stand. So we're at dinner and we're both wearing like maxi dresses.
Yeah. So cute.
There's a couple of people over there. I think after dinner we're gonna go join them. We're gonna go join them. So tomorrow we have a little bit of an activity packed in. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Morning. It's our second day here. Last night was a little bit hectic. We met two other people, 2 girls. They were also like on a vacation. Way close. They were also like on vacation. It was 2 friends.
Sun quarters are so cute.
So yeah, right now we're about to go for our activity for the day. They're cleaning the pool and now I got to listen to them. Guys, I wanted to go take pictures by the pool, but my body is not agreeing with me. And okay.
I wanna go home, where I can feel the love. I wanna go home, where I'm not out of
Okay, we're going quad biking today. Unfortunately, I won't be able to take you guys along with me because my battery is dying. Holla back if you want to buy me a camera. But thanks a lot for watching, guys. See you next time.